Okay, take one. Hello, my name is Zachary, and, this is my battleship project. Um, a little bit about me. I, started working on this battleship project, a month ago, and I am in kind of my, what is it, seventh or eighth month programming. It's been interesting to say the least. I do enjoy coding. I've actually really started to find a passion with it. It's kind of consumed my life, my social media, everything around me. Um, yeah, so this is a console-based game. We made it from the ground up. Um, it has basic structures and classes, players, boards, ships. Over a month, I have it's became just a complete single player game. Initially, it was a two player, and then we added an AI in the third week. It was really basic and only just did random picks. Then um, we upgraded it in week four, made it, renamed it GLaDOS. I actually didn't. I think I'm lying there. I didn't rename it GLaDOS. I made it GLaDOS from the start, and then GLaDOS isn't really a pushover, so we had to improve her. Um, the big thing is it stores hits, and when it gets a hit, it does the squares around the hit, so that way it's chasing hits, makes it a lot more difficult. GLaDOS is actually not a pushover, kind of hard to beat. Um, touch quickly over the development process. Um, we separated things like we talked about, with the different classes. You know, Learning how to do larger game loops was new. I've done loops, and I did like kind of one big loop back with shapes, lines and shapes and stuff, but this was a bit more, um, doing AI turns, updating the board, checking conditions. Very interesting, very difficult. Um, Kind of did speak on GLaDOS already, but we had to make the hunt mode. That was the biggest thing. So yeah, I think we'll take a little time and start demoing the game from here. So thank you. So here's the gameplay for you. We have five ships now. We have destroyers, cruisers, battleships, carriers, all with different sizes as the game originally was. We can enter our coordinates here, and I got a miss. You can see it here on GLaDOS's board. I did do coding to make the board side by side. Very difficult, very tricky. Um, let's do one here, or 104. We got a miss. We'll do 55 maybe. Go to the middle of the board. Um, hmm, 2, 6. Unfortunately, it takes quite a while to win, so we probably won't be achieving that. But let's see if we can. Well, it looks like GLaDOS has already been wrecking us. It seems a lot of our ships are lined up on this 7 line, and GLaDOS is just on a roll, destroying us. Really good job, GLaDOS. Here's what happens if you enter and you've already guessed it. It'll tell you and it'll kick you back a turn. It's pretty sick stuff. Yeah. Um, so GLaDOS is just staying on that 7 line. I don't think she's gonna stop. I think, yeah, yeah. She's kind of. This is kind of looking like a GLaDOS one here. Let's see if GLaDOS goes for another. I already entered that. Let's see if she goes for another. Um, one around there, and she did. She went there. She went there. I don't know if she's gonna prioritize all of these. She shouldn't. She does. She went there, so she's probably gonna prioritize doing these, which actually will net some fruits here, but it'll probably lead to some inefficiency. But yeah, this is my my game.